In 2024, the journey of self-discovery takes a bold and empowering turn as more individuals dare to embrace their femininity. For sissies and those interested in feminization, this is a time of liberation and celebration of personal expression. In this ultimate guide, we will help you navigate the exhilarating path towards embracing your true feminine self. For many sissies, feminization is not just about cross-dressing or adopting stereotypically feminine behaviors. It's an exploration of identity, confidence building, and expressing oneself authentically. It goes beyond societal expectations and challenges restrictive gender norms. Embracing our own version of femininity allows us to step into our power with grace, confidence, and pride. Embracing your femininity isn't just about appearance. It's also about honoring your desires for self-care and personal growth. By delving into beauty routines that make you feel like the most vibrant version of yourself, or implementing rituals such as morning affirmations or mindful practices to boost self-confidence, there are limitless opportunities for transformation. So whether you are at the beginning stages of discovering your feminine side or seeking new ways to dive deeper into the world of girly routines, this guide has got you covered. From beauty secrets to fashion tips that celebrate every body type with inclusivity in mind, get ready to unlock your inner goddess and step confidently onto the path that leads toward authenticity. Building confidence is an essential aspect of embracing femininity. It can be a transformative journey filled with self-discovery and personal growth. While it may seem challenging at times, there are several tips that can help individuals gain self-assurance during their transition. Firstly, surround yourself with a supportive community. Seek out like-minded individuals who understand and appreciate your journey towards femininity. Connecting with people who share similar experiences or interests can provide invaluable support and encouragement along the way. Additionally, take time to explore your own unique sense of style. Experimenting with different fashion choices allows you to express yourself authentically and boost self-esteem as you discover what makes you feel beautiful and confident within your femininity. Boosting self-esteem is crucial when embracing femininity, as it empowers individuals to embrace their true selves confidently. One powerful way to enhance self-worth is through positive affirmations. Acknowledge your strengths, beauty, and uniqueness on a daily basis by repeating affirmations such as "I am strong," "I am beautiful," or "I deserve love and happiness." These simple reminders can gradually rewire negative thought patterns into more empowering ones. Additionally, engage in activities that make you happy and fulfilled. Take up a hobby or pursue passions that align with your feminine side, whether it's painting, singing, yoga, or dancing. Find something that brings joy into your life while allowing yourself the freedom to express femininity in ways that resonate deeply with you. Lastly, practicing gratitude can profoundly impact how we perceive ourselves and our journey towards embracing femininity. Each day, reflect on the things you are grateful for. This could be small things like appreciating the beauty of nature or expressing gratitude for supportive friends or family members who have encouraged you along this path. Boosting self-esteem requires patience and persistence, but remember that every small step you take towards embracing your femininity brings you closer to an empowered and confident self. Creating personalized morning and evening routines can greatly enhance your femininity journey. These rituals serve as a foundation for self-care, allowing you to nurture your body and mind on a daily basis. Begin by carving out dedicated time for yourself each morning and evening, even if it is just 15 minutes before starting or ending your day. In the mornings, consider incorporating activities that uplift and energize you. This could include gentle stretches or yoga poses to awaken your body, followed by setting intentions for the day ahead. Take a few moments to visualize how you want to show up in the world as your feminine self. By focusing on these positive thoughts, you are creating space for growth and confidence. In the evenings, transition into a winding down routine that helps calm both your body and mind after a busy day. This might involve activities such as journaling, where you can reflect on any challenges or triumphs experienced throughout the day while exploring feelings of femininity emerging from within you. Alternatively, practicing meditation can bring about a sense of inner peace and tranquility, essential components of embracing femininity fully. Remember, developing daily rituals is not meant to be rigid or overwhelming, but rather adaptive. It's about finding what resonates with you personally. Adjust them accordingly as needed until they become an integral part of your girly routine. Beautiful, glowing skin is the foundation of any girly routine. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, finding a skincare routine that works for you is essential. Start by determining your skin type through simple observations or seek advice from a dermatologist if needed. Once you know your skin type, tailor your routine to address its specific needs. For those with dry skin, focus on moisturizing and hydrating products. Look for cleansers that are gentle and won't strip away natural oils, followed by rich creamy moisturizers to nourish and restore moisture levels in your face. Oily-skinned individuals should opt for oil-free cleansers and lightweight moisturizers to prevent excess shine throughout the day. Combination skin calls for using different products on different areas. Use oil-absorbing ingredients like salicylic acid on oily patches while incorporating hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid on drier areas. The world of makeup can be overwhelming at first glance with endless options available. As a beginner embracing femininity, it's best to start with some basic makeup essentials that will help you achieve a natural look while enhancing your feminine features. Invest in a good foundation or tinted moisturizer that matches your skin tone. This will even out complexion, giving you a smooth canvas to work with. Concealer comes handy in covering up blemishes or dark under eye circles while also brightening those areas instantly. Define your eyes subtly by choosing an eyeliner pencil or gel liner in brown instead of opting for dramatic black. Straightaway starting subtle helps build confidence. Don't forget mascara. One coat can do wonders as it opens up eyes, making them appear wide awake. Enjoy experimenting, but remember, less is more when starting out, and looking fresh-faced is key. Discovering and embracing your personal style is a crucial step in expressing your femininity. Start by exploring different styles. Whether it's classic, bohemian, modern, or glamorous. Experiment with mixing and matching outfits until you find what resonates with you. Don't be afraid to take inspiration from fashion icons or popular trends, but remember that the key is to adapt them to suit your individuality. Investing in a collection of timeless and versatile pieces will provide the foundation for creating countless fashionable ensembles. Begin by curating essential items such as well-fitted jeans or trousers in various cuts and colors. Mix these basics with stylish blouses, camisoles, or feminine tops that can transition effortlessly from day to night. Consider adding staple dresses that flatter your figure. Opt for little black dresses, LBDs, or shift dresses in flattering silhouettes. Pair skirts of different lengths with smart blazers for an elegant touch. They can easily be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Don't forget about accessories. Classic pumps, comfortable flats, statement necklaces, belts, scarves, these add personality and polish to any outfit. Remember that building a wardrobe takes time. And don't underestimate the power of thrift stores. They often hold hidden gems waiting to be transformed into unique outfits just for you. By focusing on quality fabrics and timeless designs while incorporating trendy elements where desired, you'll cultivate effortless femininity through fashion that truly embodies who you are. One of the first steps in embracing femininity is often ensuring smooth, hair-free skin. When it comes to eliminating unwanted body hair, there are several options available. Shaving remains a popular choice due to its convenience and affordability. It's a quick fix that can be done at home with minimal effort or cost. Waxing, on the other hand, offers longer-lasting results by removing the entire hair follicle from the root. Though it may cause some discomfort during the process, many find the results well worth it. If you're looking for a more permanent solution, consider electrolysis, a technique that uses electrical currents to destroy individual hair follicles over time. Hairstyling can play an integral role in enhancing your feminine appearance and boosting your confidence. Even if you're new to hairstyling or have limited experience working with your locks, there are plenty of simple yet stunning hairstyles to try out. For starters, mastering waves or curls can instantly add a touch of glamour and femininity to any look. Whether they're achieved using hot tools like curling irons or through overnight braiding methods like French braids or twist-outs. If you prefer keeping your hairstyle sleek and sophisticated, try experimenting with elegant updos such as low buns or chignons. They work wonders for adding elegance when attending special events or simply wanting a polished everyday look. And don't underestimate the power of accessorizing. Headbands adorned with bows or delicate flowers effortlessly elevate any hairstyle while showcasing your girly charm. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to hairstyling, so don't get discouraged if things don't go smoothly right away. Embrace each styling session as an opportunity for self-expression and creativity. A chance to discover which hairstyles make you feel most beautiful inside and out. Choosing accessories that complement outfits can play a significant role in enhancing your feminine style and expressing your unique personality. Accessories are like the cherry on top of an outfit, adding flair, charm, or even a touch of quirkiness to your look. When selecting accessories, consider how they harmonize with each other and with your overall ensemble. To create a cohesive look, start by considering the colors and tones of your clothing. For example, if you're wearing a monochromatic outfit in shades of pink, adding gold or silver jewelry can add elegance without overpowering the femininity. Alternatively, statement necklaces can act as eye-catching focal points when paired with more simple attire. Having fun with accessories is also an excellent way to reflect your personality through fashion choices. Do you enjoy quirky details? Consider wearing cute animal-shaped earrings or bold prints like polka dots or stripes. Are you someone who loves vintage-inspired looks? Try incorporating retro-style sunglasses or adding a vintage brooch to a blazer for added nostalgic charm. Whether it's embracing bohemian vibes with layered necklaces and stacked bracelets or showcasing minimalist chicness with delicate rings and dainty chains, experimenting allows you to authentically express yourself through different aspects of femininity. In conclusion, accessorizing provides fantastic opportunities for self-expression by allowing individuals to showcase their own unique personalities alongside their feminine style choices. Remember that ultimately it's about what makes you feel confident and beautiful. The most genuine form of expression always stems from staying true to yourself. So go ahead, play around with those earrings, experiment with belts and scarves, and let your inner diva shine bright. Self-care is an essential part of any girly routine, as it allows individuals to prioritize their well-being and nurture themselves. In the journey towards embracing femininity, taking care of oneself can be even more significant. It not only helps in building self-confidence but also serves as a reminder that you deserve love and attention, both from yourself and others. When it comes to self-care activities for your girly routine, there are numerous options to choose from. One suggestion is to incorporate a skincare routine into your daily life. This could involve cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen or makeup products that make you feel fabulous. Taking care of your skin will not only leave you with a healthy glow but also boost your confidence. Another wonderful self-care practice is dedicating time each day for relaxation and stress relief. Whether it's through meditation, yoga, journaling, or indulging in a bubble bath with scented candles and soothing music playing in the background, finding what works best for you is key here. This quiet moment allows you to unwind from the hustle and bustle of everyday life while reconnecting with yourself on a deeper level. Remember that self-care practices should be personalized according to your interests and needs. There isn't one size-fits-all approach here. The goal is to engage in activities that prioritize your emotional well-being while helping you embrace femininity wholeheartedly. Finding a balance between various identities can be a complex and deeply personal journey, particularly when it comes to exploring gender identities within the context of a feminine routine. It is important to approach this journey with an open mind and heart, allowing space for self-discovery and growth. As you embrace femininity, remember that there is no right or wrong way to express yourself. As you embark on your girly routine, take the time to explore different aspects of your identity. Experiment with clothing styles that resonate with you. Try out makeup looks that make you feel beautiful and confident, and find ways to incorporate activities or hobbies into your routine that align with your authentic self-expression. Remember, this journey is about discovering what feels right for you. Don't be afraid to step outside socially defined boundaries as you explore new facets of your identity. Society often places rigid expectations on individuals based on their assigned gender at birth. Managing these societal expectations can be challenging when embracing femininity in a world that may not always understand or accept diverse expressions of gender identity. However, remember that society's limitations should not dictate how you live authentically. Surround yourself with supportive friends or communities who celebrate diversity and help uplift each other during both the triumphs and struggles of navigating societal expectations. Stay true to yourself and let go of any guilt or shame tied to external judgments. Embrace the path that feels most empowering for your unique journey towards self-acceptance and fulfillment. By striking a harmonious balance between different aspects of your identity while managing external pressures, you can create a transformative experience where embracing femininity becomes an act of empowerment rather than confinement by societal norms.